Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to this brand new channel, The Cloud Guy. And let me just introduce myself first. This is Samirande, and I'm working as a cloud engineer in Amazon Web Services. And telling about my total experience, I have around 3.5 years experience in total IT, and I have worked on different roles like on cloud platforms, DevOps, big data, Linux. So I've been working with all these technologies on and off. And coming to the cloud part, I've worked with multiple clouds like AWS, GCP, and Azure. So I have had experience with different platforms and technologies, as I already mentioned. So that is me in a nutshell, about my experiences and what I've worked with. Now coming to the this channel, like why this new channel and what is the reasons behind this channel. So let me tell it this way. As you already know, that DevOps and AWS is like the market trends right now. So not only AWS, like cloud. So cloud and DevOps is now the current market trend. So wherever if you see, we have job openings, we have multiple hirings going on and everything for these roles. So any person be a developer or a manager or like any solution architect, so they will be having this part in their in this means in their role where they need to know something about DevOps, or maybe they need to know something about the cloud, whichever cloud it may be. So since this kind of a revolution is going on to the industry, so I've seen many people struggle here, even with the basics of the concepts with cloud and the DevOps. So since I've worked some time in this industry now, and I have some understanding, proper understanding, like what are the challenges people face on the initial time when they are starting with it, the beginners, the people who have worked a bit but are now strangling with the newer concepts and the newer technologies that are coming every day. So it's not like I have a huge experience of 8 or 10 years, but whatever I have learned in this 3 or 4 years, so it's just I want to contribute back to the community from where I have learned. I already know that there are several articles, videos already available on the internet. You have great articles on Udemy, you have great courses on Coursera, and YouTube, of course. Like, even I have learned so much from here. But the thing is, these all are scattered everywhere. And while learning, we get to learn this from some places. And it's just about having things at one place and maybe trying to explain on my perspective, what I have understood till now, and what I have learned till now. So trying my best. So that's what I have thought about. So going through that thought process, I thought like maybe we can just try building a channel where we can try to guide people, and also thinking about this the people that are coming in who are new, freshers, or like the experienced people. So I've thought of this conclusion I can try to start this channel, guiding, having the courses or the videos which will be beneficial to the very starting people who are just starting with the cloud, and even though who are on an intermediate or expert level. Means I will try to answer or make videos as per my possibility. So that is the thing. So again, then the content part, like what will be the contents of this channel that I will be making in. So the content part, I've thought to make contents on these basically starting from very beginner level to intermediate and also expert level, based on what kind of viewers I'm attracting on this channel and what the people need. Like if I start making a content on a expert level and people are still struggling with basics, so it won't make sense. So based on how I see the reactions, I will try changing the content of that level, and I will try to cover the total broad spectrum, and maybe we'll have topics on all the I'll try to cover topics multi-cloud, AWS, GCP, Azure, Linux, automation, IAC, Terraform. So these things might be new to if someone is listening for for the first time, it might be very overwhelming. But these are the things you will need as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer to work in this industry. Also, there are certain things I will try to help the people, like people struggling how to get into these, or like from where to start, which materials to follow, maybe certifications are required or not. So this kind of topics we'll be covering. So yeah, so after this, from the next video onwards, we'll be starting with some of the topics, and I'll try to create several playlists so that you can have a track of the topics that I create. And yeah, so I don't have much further to say now, and we'll meet you in the next video. So till then, bye bye. This is the Cloud Guy signing off.